Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find these videos to be helpful, please like and consider subscribing for more content. If you already subscribed, thanks for it. In this video, we are going to learn one more common mistake in Go language by which we may have some kind of problem. So here is an example. We have the integer here, the array which may have a 2 value, and here you see I'm just using a range for iteration of this array, and by default we know that in this array we have 0 0 value. So I'm going to display this value by using x, and the first position value I want to replace with 8, and now I'm going to display this whole array. So if I run this, so you will check that there are common problem, that unchangeable. You see that I have changed this value on first iteration of loop. What I change that at one position means at this position, okay, means on x value should be 8, because I change on first iteration that the second value would be 8, not 0. You see, if I run this loop, so first time it will display 0 here like this. Now I change the first position to 8. Now in second iteration again it's showing 0, means it is not modifying the value of this array and it's showing the 0, but it should be 8. But after completing a loop, if I display the value of this array, the value is changed and become 8, but this x is showing the previous 0 value. If I try to show in more sense, what we can show here, I say like this, that if I run it, so this value is 1 and this value is 1, remember, or maybe anything, this may be any value you can put. So if I am changing the value of this at first iteration, that means second time this x should be the 8 here, but it is again is 1. You see the result. If I remove it from 2 and I make it slice, now again we check that the problem is same or not. You see the problem, now we have the desired result. So if I change it to slice, now I'm getting a desirable result. But if I am putting it a array like this, you see the result is not as expected, it's not changing. There are two conditions here. First thing is that array is immutable in Go language, so we can't modify array value. Slices are modified, they are mutable. But if I want to achieve a same result which I achieved with slices, so what I have to do, I have to convert this into a slice like this. You see, I convert it like this by using colon, and if I run it, so I will have the same result which I wanted. You see, so we have a two option. First, I just remove it and make it slice here, otherwise convert it slice here, then you would be able to change the value. So keep in mind that array is immutable, you can't change, you have to convert into slice. You can convert here or you can convert here, it depends on you. So you have to change it into the slices, then only you can modify the value. So this kind of things comes when we do programming, and we waste lot of time for solving this kind of problem, and we do not find any solution also. That's why I'm making the videos on this. So I think you learn something from this video. If you really learn, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.